Hey gang, this morning I'm eating an excellent adventure. English muffin, microwaved eggs, salsa, cheese, and jalapenos. I'm on a diet. Cornell says if the person who loses the most weight between now and July will get $250. Whoever loses the most percentage of body fat will get $500. That works out to my advantage. A 300-pound man lost 10% of his body fat. He would lose 30 pounds. Me at 230 or so would only have to lose 23 pounds to get the same result. Math! But I thought you'd like to watch me eat my sandwich. Not a whole lot going on in my life. Oh, I'm going to the dentist. I don't think I mentioned I had a dry socket. It hurt. He stuffed my dry socket full of galls. No, it wasn't erotic. It was just a dentist visit. He stuck it down in my galls. In my socket. It quit hurting. But today he's got to pull it out. And maybe repack it. That's at 3:30. Got some jalapenos down in it. It hurts. That's all for now. It really hurts.